Hello guys, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and today we're going to take a look at the 2020 16 Super Sport Boston Whaler. You'll notice she has the light blue full hull gel coat, red whaler graphics, swim ladder on the port side. Also notice she's got the 90 Mercury, which is the upgraded engine, as well as the ski pylon on the back. Moving forward towards the helm, you'll notice she has the optional windshield there, cooler off to the port side of the console, stainless steel rub rail with white insert. Notice the swing away tongue on the galvanized Boston Whaler trailer. If you'd like to see this boat in person, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and we can be reached at 910-256-8100. Thanks a lot.